Would you like to know how to make your fridge smell nice, irrespective of the kind of food you put in the fridge? Well, not to worry. You are in the right channel. I'm going to teach you in a minute.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
So for this procedure, we'll be needing 3 basic simple ingredients. We have 1.5 cup of water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and vanilla extract. Of course, I'll drop all measurements in the description box below. And not to forget our spray bottle. Okay, I always label mine, but of course you can do that if you don't want to. Yeah. So again, you can always alternate the measurement. That depends on the size of your spray bottle. Okay, so let's go.